ഓം ശ്രീമാത്രേ നമഃ. I am Dr. Kullur Krishnayar from Moogambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam 30th Margazhi Masam 14/1/2026 Wednesday Vishwavasnama Samvalsaram Dakshinayanam Hemant Ridhu Margazhi Masam, that is Dhanur Masam, Krishna Paksham Tithi up to 7:45 p.m. Ekadashi, then Dwadashi. Saumyavasaram, that is Wednesday, Nakshatram up to next day morning 4:59 a.m. Anusha Nakshatram, then Ketai Nakshatram. Rahu Alam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Yamagandam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Guliyagalam 10:30 to 12 noon. Good time 9 to 10 a.m. then 2 to 3 p.m. Today's Chandrashtam for Mesharashi, Shulam North, Prayachittam Milk. Sradhatidi Ekadashi. Om Srimatre Namaha. Uttarayana Punyagalam starting at 6:53 p.m. Thai month starting. Bogi Pandigai.